Call me black fire on this other side. It's gonna be a long journey.
Dj-Blizz on the beat.
This flow I'm killing it. Listen when I speak. Some bars when I speak. Zwavhudi Thina tshipidi. Eating just like Tshigidi. Hale Magidi. Nyimbo aina huku. Dzula ndikola nyuku. Naside no tshibhuku. Naside no tshibhuku. For verse and ndothe. Zwikona athi vhothe. Ndachinja style ndachinja flow. All of my money I just blow. I'm black fire and you know. Welcome you all to my show. All their friends are calling me, like, can you sing for me? While they're using Martins Beatz, and you know I'm just a kid, and you know I'm just a kid. Legacy, I got a build, like, he's still the king. Legacy, I got a build, like, he's still the king. Study Jamila Wapana Chai, Ndinwa athi mudai. I bet you nanga life science, hominidis. FCM, that's my film. DFP, that's my jam. Just call me black. I choose everything. Mulilo ndiko fhisa, sathuba ndiko shisa. Bendikale ndiko imba, na pisi ndiko imba. Bakampani bayafiba, ochili ndiyababa. Ndichimba ndiyabataza, zozanga zobataza. Ndafuna ndiyababaza, ndafuna ndiyabataza. Inspita nazibaza. Bana ndotaze botana ngafaya ndafaya bachayo ngayini chayo walicha ubaya zikwete zibaya. Bana matana magana nombona. My name is Black is Fire, you know. Thank you Dj-Blizz, especially for this beat.
It made my heart beat.
See now, it's a hit. Now it's a hit. They are gonna snitch. Why yet like a snitch? Don't call me king. They call me Black Fire. A fighter and a lover. Black Fire, Mr. Lover. Gabaman ganitaba. Cheese in the shop. Apply the Magidi and the Peter code. Yeah, I could cover kama story ya karibu, yes, right? Yeah, apply.